Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 3 question number 11. Sum of areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of two squares. So question is very simple. Sum of areas of two squares is given. Okay. Sum of areas of two squares that is equal to 468 meters square. Okay, the difference of perimeters that is equal to 24 meter. Then what he was asking, we have to find the sides of a square. Question is very simple. Don't skip the video, see the video up to the end. So solution, let the side of first square be x meters. Let the side of second square be y meters. So according to the question, so that is sum of areas of two squares that is equal to 468. Sum of areas of two squares that is equal to 468 meters square. So area of a first square is nothing but x square, side into side. Area of a second square is nothing but y square, side into side. That is equal to 468. Let it be equation number 1. So one more condition is given, difference of perimeters. That is equal to 24 meter. So what is the perimeter formula? 4 into side. So 4x minus 4y that is equal to 24. Take 4 common here. X minus y that is equal to 24. 4 is, it is in multiplication, it goes to division. So now we send that side. 24 by 4 here. 4 one time, 4 6 times. X minus y is equal to 6 I am getting. So now we see x is nothing but, send this y to right side, 6 plus y. Let it be equation number 2. Substitute this x value in equation number 1. So here equation number 1 is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to 468 I am substituting x value as 6 plus y. So now 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Now here it is looking like a plus b whole square. Apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square plus y square is equal to 468. So 6 square is nothing but 36. 2 into 6 into y is nothing but 12y. Y square plus y square is 2y square. So now you bring this 468 to left side, minus 468. So now you write in standard form 2 times y square plus 12y. 468, from that you have to subtract 36. So 432 minus 432, that is equal to 0. So now here we can take 2 common. If you write 2 outside, y square, 2 6 are 12, and here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6 are 216, that is equal to 0. 2, it is in multiplication, it goes to division. Zero by 2. 0 by 2 means it is also 0. So finally I am getting y square plus 6 times y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now I have to find out the roots. So I am going to use quadratic formula method to find out the roots. So that is, here it is in standard form, ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, a value is nothing but 1, b value is nothing but 6, c value is nothing but minus 260. The formula is x is equal to minus b. Okay, here y is equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we substitute all the values. Y is equal to minus b minus 6 plus or minus b square 6 square minus 4, a is nothing but 1, c is nothing but minus 216 by 2a, 2 into 1. So that is y is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 6 square is 36, minus into minus will be plus, 216 into 4 we have to find. So 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6, and 4 2s are 8. 864 by 2. Okay. Now add this 36 to 864. Here this is 0. Here 1. This is also 0. Here 1. I am getting 900. So that is minus 6 plus or minus 900 by 2. So now we will simplify this. So y is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 900 by 2 I am getting. So that is y is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, this is 30 square, we can write 900 by 2. Square and root gets cancelled. Minus 6 plus or minus 30 by 2. So one time you take plus 30, one time you take minus 30. So this is 30 minus 6 is nothing but 24 by 2. So 2 1 time, 2 12 times. I am getting 12 here. Here it is minus 36 by 2. 2 1 time, 2 18 times, minus 18. So don't take the negative value. Why? Because length of a square, it should not be negative. That's why you take only positive value. That is y is equal to 12. Now we have to find the side of first square. Here we got the side of a second square. So side of a second square is equal to, that is y is equal to, I got 12 here. So now we need side of a first square. That is x is equal to y plus 6. So 12 plus 6, that is nothing but 18. This is 12 meters. This is 18 meters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.